Adding captions to your videos makes it awesome and also highly interactive. That is why in this particular video I'm going to show you how to use the CapCut application to add captions to your videos using your smartphone in a very simple manner. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I'm sending you straight to my CapCut application. Just follow the steps and let's go get this. When you open your CapCut application, this is what you are going to see. You just tap on new projects and import the video you want to import. So in this case, I'm going to use this particular video over here. I'll tap on add one. So once I'm here, I'm just going to trim the video to see where exactly I want to start from. So once the video has been imported like this, the first thing that you need to do in order to add a caption is to tap on this text. Once you tap on it, you tap on auto captions. From here, you use the original sound, that is the voiceover on your video, that's the original sound. And when you come down, we have things like identify filler words and pauses. Actually, I don't use that one. But when it comes to dynamic captions in such that if you say each word, it will appear in that manner. If you turn it off, it means all the words or the whole caption will appear at once on your video. Alright, and also you clear current subtitles. If there's any subtitle on a video, it will be cleared off before it starts with a new one. So all that you have to do is to tap on start. Okay, but make sure you have your internet connection on as well. So I'll go ahead and tap on start and let's see. So it is creating my captions automatically. Let's wait for it. Good, caption created, auto captions created. So if we move, you can see something appearing on the screen. That is the caption. Now if you want to add some styles to the caption, this is what you can do. Just come to style, tap on it, and you will see options over here. Here you can change the fonts that you want to use for your caption. There are several varieties of fonts over here. Okay, so let's assume we are going to use this particular one over here. So I'll tap on it and it will be added. Now I can go back to style. Then over here we have things like the text, stroke, canvas, shadow, spacing. We have bold, italic as well. Alright, so first off, I'm going to increase the size of the text a bit. So this is it. This is why you increase the size of the text. So let's say something like this. Okay, let's make it 12. Good. And the opacity, it has to be 100% for the text to be visible. And for the stroke, let's add something small. So for the stroke, I'll use white. But before I go to that place, let's go back to the text. I think let me change the color of the text to red so that I will use the stroke of white, and I'll decrease the size of it small like this. I think 28 is fine. And for shadow, I'll add some shadow and reduce the opacity of it a little bit, and I think I'm okay with that. So from here, I'll just go to bold, italic, and probably add some bold and italic effect to it like this. And if I want my text to be left aligned, I'll just have to come to spacing and I'll tap on this over here like this. So it is all being left aligned. This is center aligned and this is right alignment. So that is it. Once I'm done with this, I'll tap on a check mark over here and I have my video over here. Let's play it and see how it will come. Now if there is something you need to do, okay, it is not always or in all cases that the application is going to generate every text for you correctly. There might be spelling mistakes that you definitely want to correct. So you tap on batch edit over here, then you can start writing your own text. If you want to correct some spelling, let's assume they've typed or they've written the video without the O, then you can go ahead and add the O to it. You can just come and do your own editing if you want. So basically that is it. Once you are done with this, just go ahead and export the video and start using it. So you tap on export and it's going to export this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button on this video and also subscribe for more videos like this. Of course, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bless up.